In this video we're going to be making this stretcher bracelet. This is the Bowtie bracelet, and we'll be using 70 centimeters of elastic, size 6 seed beads in 2 different colours, and then you'll need a pair of scissors. We're going to start with 4 of the clear beads. Going to let all of those drop to the centre. So now you're working with 2 different sides. You have a left and a right now. So going to thread 6 beads onto the left of this blue. Then on the right, we're going to do the same, 6 of the blue. Slide all those down, so it should look something like that. And now we're going to take one of the clear beads, put the left thread through, and put it through that bead. And take the right thread, going through the same bead in the same direction. So we've got both threads going through, same bead, and then push that down to the middle. And there. And then I'm going to repeat that with 6 on the left and 6 on the right. And then we're going to thread 4 of these clear beads on the left hand side. And then the right hand thread, we're going to pass that back down through these seed beads, but going in the opposite direction, so it's going to crisscross through. And of course that's crisscrossed through now, and we're going to pull this tight. And that's the first bow tie section complete, and you're going to repeat what you did from this point here. So 6 either side, I'm going to put a centre seed bead on and then crisscross through 4. pull that tight. That's your second bow tie. So you're just going to repeat those steps until you are almost the length of your bracelet, just one section away, and then we do something slightly different. And then we're going to do, for the last part, we're going to do 6 seed beads either side, and then we're going to do something different for the end. 6 seed beads on either side, that is 6 seed beads on either side, and we're going to be using the longest length that you have to do this next bit. So on the shorter length, just take a clip or something, use a clip, a peg, a bit of blue tack, but just pop something on the end there just to stop those from sliding off. I'm going to take the longest length and we're going to take it back to the start, these beads that we added on at the very start, the middle section, and we're going to thread this right hand thread through, going over to the left hand side, so through these 4 seed beads going over to the left hand side. So that strand has gone through in the opposite direction, from going from the right to the left. Tight. And then we're going to take the clip off of here and then tie these 2 ends together with an overhand knot. Do 2 to 3 knots. And then we're just going to take your scissors and then snip any excess off. And there we go, that is your stretcher bracelet complete. So they're in 2 different colours, using size 6 seed beads and elastic.